Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to start, stop and disable any specific services in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for services. On the first you will see a services program. Just click on it. Now the services program will get open. Now on the right side you can see tons of services. Some are running, so which are showing running, so you can see here. And on the left side you will see here to stop or to restart. And if you right mouse click on it, you'll get a stop option and you can restart it. And if you want to disable it, then just click on this properties and just click on this start type. And here you will see a disable option to disable it. So similarly, you can do the same thing. If you want to start some services, then just click on the respective services and you can see here the start option, or you can just right mouse click on it and you can start it. And if you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer, then you can just click on this properties and under this startup type, just click on this manual and you can set it to automatic. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily start, stop and disable any specific services in Windows computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.